I spent a lot of time with the Sandler Sales System throughout the years and got trained in that. David Sandler said that a person is divided into two things. It's their image and their role. Okay. And so I thought about this, and he said, your image of yourself, you should always have a 10 on a scale of 1 to 10, which means you always like yourself and you have a positive piece. Now separate the role, because, hey, I might suck as a dad. I might suck as a husband. I might suck as a US citizen. I might not be very good. If I get a ticket for speeding, my role as a good driver is not a 10. But it's interesting when you have a lot of these roles that give you a low number, it really starts to peck at your image of yourself. And so what I had to do was constantly look back, because it was really hard to let that go. But I had to look back and think of all the positive things that came out of that. And sometimes that was enough. And quite frankly, sometimes it wasn't. I'm like, what did I just do? That was dumb. You know, you already had built this, and now you could just rest a little bit and relax and enjoy the perks of being a business owner. But for me, those were few and far between, those tweaks of, oh my gosh, what did I do? But it helped me to realign, to go back to my image. I'm still a 10, even though as a business owner, I might be a 5, or as a team player, I might be a 3. It was really helpful to be able to distinguish between my image of myself and the role that I play in other people's lives and in mine.
I love that distinction. I think it's very clever, because you should have a positive image, and it comes back to your non-negotiables with yourself.
Yep.
How is it that you're showing up? How is it that you are going to make sure that the promises that I make to myself, I see myself in a positive light, which allows us to do then better work, to be the better person, or to show up in the way that we want to.